Before we get started, I need to say thank you to some people. Thank you to my father-in-law for watching every single one of these videos, even though he's not a photographer. Thank you to the YouTube members, the patrons, and I even know that there's some of you that have been around the entire 17 years that this channel has existed, so thank you for being there through thick and thin. If it weren't for all of you, I literally wouldn't be making this video, and I really do mean that literally. I know that people on the internet don't care to hear about my personal life, and I really don't care to talk about my personal life on YouTube, but some of you support me financially, and so I feel like it's only fair to explain the changes that are coming to this channel. 9 months ago, I made a video about my predictions for the future Pixelmator after the Apple acquisition. And I think that I got most of that actually pretty right, but the one part that I got wrong is the reason why I'm stepping away from making Pixelmator Pro tutorials. Now, I know that this is going to sound really privileged to say, but this is the honest truth. When I was working with the Pixelmator team, it felt close and collaborative, and it was really, really fun to be able to engage with the community, report bugs to them, hear back and understand what they're changing, what they're fixing, and what new versions are coming down the pipeline. It felt like I was part of a team in a way that was really energizing and really exciting. And frankly, making tutorials for the largest company in the world so that YouTube can pay me $20 a week just doesn't feel the same. And so with that change in emotional dynamic, it's really hard to justify spending my limited free time making tutorials on YouTube. Now, for some of you, you are not interested in following me or my curiosity. You're just here for the photography tutorials, and that is totally fine. I thank you for the season of time we got to spend together, and I really do mean it when I say your support has meant the world to me. Hopefully we get to cross paths again in the future when I inevitably get curious about something in Pixelmator and make another video about it. But for the time being, I'm going to be exploring other things, and I hope that you guys enjoy them as much as I've enjoyed exploring them and making videos about them. So for those of you that are going to be here for the next one, I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks again, everybody. I really do mean it.